EON Connect is a smart device application for controlling up to 4 JBL EON600 speakers via the EON's built-in Bluetooth functionality. The latest version of the app for all available platforms can be found at www.jblpro.com/products/portable-market/EON600-series and can also be found in the video description below. To get started, make sure that your device's Bluetooth is turned on and launch the app from your device's app screen. You'll be taken to the home screen where you can configure the system you'll be working with. Press the plus sign to add a speaker. At the same time, press the sync button on the back of the EON speaker. Your device will scan for available speakers and it will show them at the bottom of the screen. In case your speaker doesn't show up right away, you might need to do a hard reset. To do this, turn your EON off, hold down the EQ Plus and boot buttons and turn the speaker back on. All 4 preset buttons will flash before the speaker powers on. You should be able to connect now. Select your desired speaker from the list. Once you've done so, your device will connect to it and you'll be greeted with this screen. Note that this can take several moments, so be patient. Click OK, and now you're ready to start working with that speaker. In some cases, you'll be prompted to update the firmware on your EON600 speaker at this point. Select Update and allow the update to run before going further. From here, you've got some really handy control options before you start tuning the speakers. The plus and minus signs allow you to add or delete speakers from your network. The Find feature will allow you to confirm which speaker you're working with. When you press it, it will highlight blue, and the Bluetooth LED on the back of the corresponding speaker will flash to indicate which speaker you're working with. With this button, you can change the name of a speaker. The Network button will allow you to reset a connection should a speaker come offline. You'll need to confirm that the Bluetooth LED is illuminated on the back of the speaker as well. If not, press the Sync button to re-establish the connection. Now you're ready to start tuning your system. Tap a speaker to open its tuning screen. From this screen, you can control the master volume, selected preset, and delay of a speaker. Slide the master volume control to change the output level of the speaker. Note that this will only change relative to the physical level set on the speaker, so you should turn the output all the way up at the speaker when you set up your system if you'll be using it with the app. Press any of the 4 presets to switch to that one. There will be a small pause while the switch happens. To set the delay, enter the distance in feet that the speakers are away from the source. For quick reference, 1 foot is approximately equal to 1 millisecond of delay. The EQ Plus button allows you to toggle between the EQ settings, including delay and volume that you've set yourself, and the default JBL presets. Press this button for access to EQ and configuration settings. We'll explore EQ first. From this screen, you have access to 3 parametric EQs and the high and the low shelves. To change an EQ parameter, select it. Then, select the parameter to change, either gain or frequency, from the right side of the screen. You can drag the EQ directly in the grid, or you can manually enter a parameter for extremely fine tuning. You can drag the Q fader to adjust the Q, or width, of a parameter. Note that you can only adjust the gain, neither the Q nor the frequency, of the high and low shelves. When you're done tuning a speaker, you can save the preset here. You can store up to 4 presets in the system. You also have access to the current presets of all 4 speakers on your network if you want to copy settings from one speaker to another. From the configuration screen, you can also control the parameters that are toggled when you hit the EQ Plus button, and you can manually update the firmware of your speaker. At any point, you can hit the Home button to go home and start setting up more speakers. EON600 speakers are available now. Thanks for watching.